All right, Trey Gowdy here on General Flynn's case with, of course, this gal who does his deal on Sundays.
Zero in on what took place here in your behind closed doors testimonies, your reaction to all that has taken place as this weekend former President Obama is saying that this is a break in the rule of law. He is throwing cold water on this exoneration, sir.
I find that an amazing statement from President Obama. Where is his respect for the rule of law for the crime that Michael Flynn was the victim of? Remember, he was unmasked by somebody in Obama's administration, and then it was leaked, which is a 10-year felony, Maria. That is a 10-year felony to disseminate classified information. Michael Flynn was the victim of that crime. President Obama himself pardoned people for making false statements to the government. He picked Michael Horowitz. That was an Obama pick. Michael Horowitz found fault after fault after fault with the Pfizer program and Jim Comey and Andy McCabe. So I am delighted to hear of President Obama's newfound interest and respect for the rule of law. I just wish he would apply it equally to Republicans and Democrats.
Quote unquote, I wish he would apply it equally to both Republicans and Democrats.
Well, there's also the abuse around the FISA situation, right? We already know from the DOJ that 2 out of the 4 wiretapped warrants were unlawful. I'm going to stick my neck out and say all 4 were.
Yeah, I mean, two of the 4 were completely unpredicated. Keeping in mind, it's a really low threshold to have predication. They couldn't even meet that. So back to President Obama, your FBI director, the FBI used a dossier that was bought and paid for by your political party without vetting a single factual allegation in that dossier. You put it in front of a federal judge. Where is your concern for respect for the rule of law as it relates to Carter Page and what happened to him? Michael Flynn, let me say this about the judge. The judge can sit there and not know whether or not he's going to grant that motion to dismiss. Good luck prosecuting the case, Judge. I mean, you got to have a prosecutor to prosecute the case. So if the DOJ is not moving forward on Michael Flynn, I don't think the judge is going to do it himself.